Hello friends, today we are going to revise a simple yet mind-twisting problem of GOC. It's a key concept on GOC and almost 40% of the organic chemistry questions come into the paper are from these kinds of effect, directly, indirectly. Now here it is. So, inductive effect. Actually, this effect is not the stronger one because there are other effects also which are more stronger than this. Then you will ask, then what's the point to learn this? Yeah, you're right. But the thing is, benzene has a special place for this effect. That in benzene, meta position only this one and another one effect which I will tell you in another videos. Only at meta position this effect dominated very much. While even the mesomeric effect unable to do anything at meta position. At meta position, groups usually show the minus I effect, so that's why it is important. So in inductive effect, so what is inductive effect? Now let's see. Inductive effect, shifting of sigma electrons toward more electronegative atom is known as I effect. In short, full form is inductive effect, or in short I effect. So one thing you should note that here the sigma electrons are involved here, and one more thing, there is no transfer of the electrons, they are just shifting of it toward the more electronegative atom. So when a group attached to a carbon chain, then the effect caused because of it, either it's pull the carbon chain electrons, or it give away its electrons to the carbon chain. So based on this, there are two types of I effect, which is plus I effect or minus I effect. And one more thing here, it is distance dependent. It is effective up to only 3 carbon, means in the carbon chain more than 3, it will not affect it will the fourth carbon will not experience the effect. It is only effective up to 3 carbon. So now type of effect, so here it is my personal trick which I it is which can you use to remember what plus I effect or was minus I effect. See the I as image. So if a person donates something, the image created it into the society is positive. Yeah, and if a person take away something or accept something from anyone, it image come from, I mean its image form into the society is negative. That is my minus I effect. So just like that, plus I effect is the effect when the group actually donating its electrons to the carbon chain, while in minus I effect, the group is taking away the electron from the carbon chain. So here I just want to tell one more thing, that if I'm going if I give you a trick for this one, it will it will not be easy to recall when you are doing it, because in but trust me, this is my personal experience, that some we try to recall it, but the tricks not come into mind easily, and we panic and we just forget everything about this. So what I advise you to just remember this plus I effect, and the rest will automatically you can put in minus I effect. So as it is not so much important, as this effect is not so much important, but it is important when we talking about meta position, only then this effect is really useful. Otherwise, at the other position, the mesomeric effect dominated over I effect. So it is you can say that so we can say that it is important, but it is not so much important. Okay, it is so much important when it come up when we are talking about meta position, but for other position it's not important at all. Now here it is. So let's see, plus I effect, electron donating groups, so minus. One more thing you can notice here, that the effect nature and the group have opposite nature showing. So you can also keep this fact into the mind, so it will help you to guess which effect it will show, positive or negative. So positive I effect, CH2 negative more than NH2 negative more than O negative more than COO negative. This is the charge one. Then the more than tertiary carbon, more than secondary carbon, more than primary carbon. Here you can see this. This is order as similar as the isotopes orders. So that is tritium more than deuterium more than hydrogen. So the hydrogen have zero inductive effect. It does not show any kind of inductive effect. just as it is used as a reference point, just like your parents use the neighborhood child. So now minus eye effect. Now we talk about the minus eye effect. It is electron accepting effect. So here it is, see, positive and this is minus eye effect, and here we see positive charge, so positive charge, see there. So NF3 more than NR3. You know what, his cousin we will talk about in next. Here it is NR2, which has lesser than eye effect as compared to this NR3. In questions, examiners used to play with this. It will give you this because it is not mentioned anywhere. I have to search it for 30 minutes. It take me to know what is the real order of this. So remember this. NR3 more than SR2 more than NS3 more than NO2. It is the favorite one of the examiners because you will see so many questions using this using this group are made it. Now SO3 more than CN more than CHO more than CWH. These are seen in intermediate form in questions. Now fluorine more than chlorine more than bromine more than iodine more than OR. Alkoxy group more than alcohol group more than alkyne more than amine more than NR2. So keep in mind NR2 is have lesser, NR2 has lesser eye effect, minus eye effect, than even lesser than amine 2. Okay, amine NS2. Now let's so NR2 more than phenyl more than alkene more than hydrogen. Again I'm repeating this, hydrogen have no any effect. It is the inductive, it's so zero inductive effect. It used as the reference point, as the you know what, the weakest child or in the classroom used as the reference point, like that, just like that. So hope you like this video. So we have learned this topic within 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, and I think you should one more thing I just want to tell you is that take a sticky notes, write this down on it and paste it on your study table, and whenever you're going to start the studying session, see once, and when you are going to leave the study session, see once, and it will be just, you will easily remember this. And one more thing is that it will be I will prefer it to stick it with the other effect also, so that you can easily see the difference. With the passage of time, it will be settled down into your mind. So that's it, and for more such videos, please follow my channel, and I promise next videos will be more better than this one. And sorry if for any inconvenience or my mispronunciation or anything else. And get ready for the mesmeric effect, which is about to coming going to come on this channel. And if you're scrolling from a long time, I think this should be the last shot of the day. So go study again or do whatever anything you are doing, and thank you.